I'm Michelle Lindback. I'm an interior designer. The name of my company is Environments, and Environments has been an interior design firm for 30 years. So the project had a particular scope, and the scope was to not add 1 square inch of real estate in the existing space, but to maximize the efficiency, the function, and then bring something to the party that was more part of the time, part of an arts and crafts house, but with current materials. And that's what we did. In a plumber, I'm looking for several good qualities. One is competence, knowing what they're doing. Because this is old remodel work, which is what I do a lot of, I need somebody who isn't going to bolt and run when we have problems with old plumbing, old wiring, old drains, and is willing to bring something to the party with their knowledge base. Powers has been in the Mission Hills area forever, and therefore really has a great reputation in terms of confidence to my clients, but also confidence to me. I know that if they see something amiss, they're going to tell me about it before it becomes a problem. They're not going to ignore it. They're going to bring it to my attention whether I like it or not, and then we're just going to deal with it at the right time, not at the expensive end of the project.